slate, but I'm super excited to be starting off the new year. First video, the new camera, and the new haircut. So in this video, there's going to be some tips to make 2020, just to make the most of it. And I know the title said the best year, but you know, you never know what may happen. So to make the most of 2020 and just take advantage of this new year to not start over, but just clean slate. I got 2020 vision. With these tips, your future is looking bright. Alright, for 2020, before we start, if you're new, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and spread the word, share. And comment down below your New Year's resolution. Okay, the first thing I think is really important is to clean your room. The first thing I did January 1st, clean my room. I'm going to try to keep it that way. Keep it clean, and just like the whole house in general, just to be a little more clean this year, because I think a clean room just puts you at peace, Zen mode. Just, I don't know, it makes me feel peaceful inside and calm. So I think that's really important in the new year. De-stress, clean. The second thing that I would like to do, I want to try to read more. And last year, 2019, I didn't really make enough time to read. So this year in 2020, I really want to try to read more, whether it's like classics, fiction, anything. Just, I think it's really calming. 2020 is all about calm for me. And me and my friend actually, in Gilmore Girls, like, she reads a lot, and we found a book list. So now we're in a little competition to see who can finish all the books first. And there's hundreds, but you know, it's a lifelong competition, friendly neighborhood competition. So I definitely want to read more this year, just expand my brain, my intellectual knowledge. I got a lifetime of knowledge. My next goal, I also want to make more time to focus on my fitness and work out a little more. I do go to the gym sometimes, but I want to do yoga this year. And I don't know if it's going to be like an actual yoga class or just like yoga at home from YouTube. But I think, again, it'll calm my mind. But also, it'll make me stronger. And I think it's just a good way to relax, de-stress, find your inner zen with yoga. And other exercises too, I don't know, abs, running, cardio, anything. Gotta focus on my lifelong fitness if I want to be a healthy 150-year-old. The next tip that kind of goes with the last one is just to watch more of what I eat. I'm a cereal-aholic, and I eat a little too much cereal. So this year I want to try to limit that and other unhealthier, like processed or packaged foods that I eat. Just try to stay healthier. I think that'll be good for the skin, for the mind, for the body. Just like eat less sugar, less carbs, I don't know. Just try to live a more healthy lifestyle that goes with the fitness. I'm also going to try to stay more organized, like on top of things this year. With school, definitely. Last year I procrastinated a little bit too much, and I think that really kind of stressed me out. So this year I'm going to try to stay on top of it. Again, like, I think it'll be a more calming second semester. And not only with school, like definitely homework is a big one, but also like these YouTube videos, I want to try to like do them more during the week and not like shove everything into the weekend. So I'm definitely going to try to like stay organized, maybe get a planner, a calendar. I still need to get my 2020 calendar. But yeah, just to stay organized, on top of life. And I think that will make me calmer. The last tip or thing that I'm going to definitely try to work on, well, first I want to donate a lot of clothes. Maybe not sell, I don't know, but just donate the clothes that I don't wear. I did have a closet clean out video, but so I did get rid of some clothes there, and I want to donate those, maybe bring in a little bit of money. But mainly I want to buy less. Not only clothes, just kind of stuff in general. Just last year, I kind of like replaced my entire closet, but added a lot more, and I just kind of bought a little bit too much. And I do wear most of them, but I think I definitely don't need any more clothes. I mean, I think definitely like when summer comes, I might buy a few things, but like for now, maybe the first half of the year, definitely gonna not try not to buy anything, which I probably will, but I don't know, I just need to not. Alright, that is everything I'm going to try to work on, all the tips that I have for this video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below your favorite tip, your New Year's resolution, any tips that I might not have mentioned that you think are going to help you in 2020. Because remember, 2020 vision, the future is looking bright. But I hope these tips were helpful. I'm definitely going to try to do them, hopefully throughout the whole year. But New Year's resolutions usually don't last that long, but you know. The important thing is that you try and you try. But yes, thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next week. My first time covering camera land.